The percent proportion. We can use the percent proportion to solve various percent-related problems. In these problems, we will be given different types of information, and we need to fill that information into the percent proportion. Notice at the top left is going to be the part. At the bottom left is going to be the whole. At the top right, we will put in the percent, and at the bottom right, there will always be a 100. Let's take a look at some examples. The first question says, what percent of 24 is 18? If we look at the bottom, there's a very important note that's going to help us solve this problem. That note says, the word of is usually followed by the whole. So since it says, what percent of 24, we know that in our proportion, the whole, or the bottom left, is going to be 24. And since it is what percent of 24 is 18, we know that the 18 is not the percentage, therefore it must be the part. When we have all of the spaces filled in except for one, we can use the method cross multiply and divide to find the missing value. So first we cross multiply, or multiply diagonally across the proportion. 18 times 100 equals 1,800. The next step is to divide. 1,800 divided by 24 is equal to 75. So our solution is 75%. The second problem reads, what number is 60% of 120? So since they give us a percentage, we know that that percentage is going to go in the top right. Then we recognize that key word of, which lets us know that 120 is going to be the whole. Now since I have three values, I can use cross multiply and divide to find the missing value. First we multiply 120 times 60 equals 7,200. Next we divide by the only other number left in the proportion, which is 100. 7,200 divided by 100 equals 72. So our solution is 72. 72 is 60% of 120. Now on to the final example. It reads, 14 is 25% of what number? Since we have a percent again, we know that's going to go in the top right. Now, since it says 14 is 25% of what number, and what number comes after the keyword of, we know that 14 is going to be the part. Now we can use cross multiply and divide to find the missing value. First we multiply across the proportion. 14 times 100 equals 1,400. Then we divide by the only other number left. 1,400 divided by 25 equals 56. So the solution is 56. 14 is 25% of 56. So now it is your turn to try. Complete these three problems using the percent proportion, pause the video, and then resume it to see if your solutions are correct. You can now see the solutions on the screen. I would recommend you pause the video. See if you place the numbers in the correct positions. For number 1, what percent of 50 is 30? The solution is 60%. For number 2, what number is 10% of 80? 8 is 10% of 80, so 8 will be the solution. And number 3, 20% of what number is 21? The solution to number 3 is 105.